Hi everyone, it's Dr. Gambhir here. I wanted to talk to you about the Allergan family fillers today. I'm going to start with talking about slightly their older technology. Juvederm Ultra XC is what we used to use a lot for lips and nasolabial folds. We'll still have some patients that prefer this product because they're more familiar with it, although 90% of my patients have now converted to the newer product, which is Velour, which is used in the same areas. Velour is different in that it integrates with tissue better and is more smooth and it lasts even longer. So this is my go-to now for even first-time patients or anybody who's looking to upgrade to the better version of Juvederm. I also have here some of our other products. Glabellar is also bypass technology similar to the Velour. All the ones that start with a V have that newer technology. This is a finer, thinner product that you can place for above the lip lines or actually put underneath the eye for more of the finer things that we sometimes have to deal with as patients. This does a great job with that. And then we have Voluma. Voluma is a terrific product. It creates more volume than anything else I've talked about. Also with the newer technology, the Vicross technology, it lasts the longest. It lasts about a year. The company says it lasts about 2 years. We usually say half that just because we're trying to maintain a certain look for patients. This can be placed in the cheeks, in the chin, in the temples, those areas wherever you're trying to create volume and lift. It does a great job for that. So all these products are things we use in our office, and I absolutely love these products. So come on in and we'll talk about them and figure out which one is right for you.